Leyland Limited, headquartered in Chennai, is a leading automobile company in the commercial vehicle industry, ranking as India's second largest manufacturer and the fourth largest bus manufacturer globally. Ashok Leyland has a product range, from passenger commercial to defense vehicles including power solutions, marine, and innovative modular trucks like AVTR and the transformative LCV Bada Dost. Head office of Ashok Leyland in Chennai, ashokleyland.com. Subsidiaries of Ashok Leyland. Albonair GmbH. Global TVS Bus Body Builders Limited. Hinduja Tech. Growth Digital Platforms Limited. Hinduja Leyland Finance Limited. Lanka Ashok Leyland. Have issues with vehicles of Ashok Leyland? Register a complaint to the customer care team or the regional offices of Ashok Leyland. If not resolved, escalate the grievances to the authorized officials. How to file a complaint to Ashok Leyland? In compliance with Ashok Leyland's customer service policy, the complaint resolution process is divided into 3 tiers. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges, 0 rupees. Resolution period. Within 30 days, may vary. Read the warranty and service policy of Ashok Leyland. Refund period. 7 to 28 days. For cancellation return, read the policy. Levels of lodging complaint. Level 1. Customer Care, Ashok Leyland. Toll-free helpline number. Email WhatsApp. Register an online complaint. Mobile app. Level 2. Escalate to the manager at the regional office. Level 3. Reach out to the head office, Ashok Leyland Limited. Please note, for consumer rights violations, you may file a complaint with the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, or the appropriate state district consumer commission. Level 1. Customer Care, Ashok Leyland. If you're facing problems with commercial, passenger, or industrial vehicles of Ashok Leyland, like issues with warranty, spare parts, financing, or payment-related concerns, you can register a complaint with the Customer Service Department. Required details to register a complaint. Name of client owner complainant. Model of the vehicle equipment spare parts. Vehicle details, including vehicle identification number or registration number. Nature of the complaint. Detailed description of the issue with relevant facts. Any supporting documents such as bills, warrant cards, images of products, etc. Please note, for matters related to vehicle insurance, loans, and claim settlements, contact the respective insurance company or Ashok Leyland Finance for specific packages or subscriptions. Ashok Leyland Customer Care Number. Toll-free customer helpline number for complaints related to buses, trucks, light vehicles, and power solutions. Ashok Leyland Vehicle. Toll-free customer care number. Ashok Leyland Complaint Number. 1-800-266-3340, M&HCV. WhatsApp. +917358560111. Email. reaches@ashokleyland.com. LCV helpline number. 1-800-10-22666. Power Solutions. 1-800-419-19216. Contact local dealers of Ashok Leyland. Click here. 24/7 on-road assistance. In the case of a mechanical electrical breakdown or roadside help from Ashok Leyland, if have a warranty or plan, dial the helpline number. File a complaint online. Resolve concerns on warranty, service, and parts of the passenger or commercial vehicles by filing an online complaint. Register a complaint online to Ashok Leyland. Lodge online complaint to Ashok Leyland. File your complaint. Email. reaches@ashokleyland.com. Vehicle service. Click here, ashokleyland.com. Dealer support. Click to login. If the complaint is not resolved within 3 to 5 working days, escalate the case to the next level. Level 2, Nodal Officer, Regional Offices. For unaddressed or unsatisfactory concerns regarding commercial passenger vehicles or the business department at Ashok Leyland, a nodal officer is designated at level 2. It is recommended to escalate the matter to the regional manager, customer care at regional offices. Important note: while escalation must include the reference ticket number of the previous complaint. Further, escalate to the head office of Ashok Leyland at level 3. Regional offices. City. Contact details: Chennai. Phone +914422206000. Address: Ashok Leyland Limited, Number 1 Sardar Patel Road, Guindi, Chennai 600032. Cochin. Zonal offices. Zonal office. Contact details: Delhi. Level 3, Head Office, Ashok Leyland Ltd. If you have concerns regarding warranty, services, or the quality of buses, trucks, or other vehicles sold by Ashok Leyland's subsidiary wings, and your complaints are not resolved, then escalate the case to the head office of the respective passenger or commercial vehicle department. Ensure to provide the following details: reference ticket number of the unresolved complaint, if any. Category of the concern, warranty, ANC, services, sales, etc. Nature of complaint. Expected relief from Ashok Leyland. Detailed description of the matter with supporting documents or facts. For addressing or escalating your concerns, you may call, email or post a mail to the relevant department of head office at Ashok Leyland. Designation: Secretary, Head Office of Ashok Leyland. Phone number: +914422206000, 04422206001. Fax. Email: secretarial@ashokaleyland.com. Address: Company Secretary, Headquarters, Ashok Leyland Limited, Number 1 Sardar Patel Road, Guindi, Chennai 600032. Note: in the event of dissatisfaction with the final resolution from Ashok Leyland, you have the option to approach the respective regulatory authority or consumer court, especially for violations of consumer rights. For further details, please visit the provided links. Regulatory Authority. If you find the resolution from Ashok Leyland's head office unsatisfactory, consider seeking dispute resolution through government regulatory authorities. For insurance disputes, submit a complaint to the Insurance Ombudsman under IRDAI. Concerns with finance, EMI, and loans, lodge financial complaints with the Banking Ombudsman, RBI. Consumer disputes, file complaints with the National Consumer Helpline, NACH, of the Department of Consumer Affairs. Consumer Commission. If you believe Ashok Leyland violated your consumer rights, demand compensation by filing a consumer complaint through e-Dakhil. Depending on the amount, escalate the case to NCDRC or State District Consumer Commission. To file an online appeal, click the provided link. Click File an appeal to the Consumer Commission, NCDRC, by e-Dakhil. This can cover disputes related to warranty, service product quality, or concerns with Ashok Leyland's passenger commercial, spare parts, or other vehicles. Legal action. Click File a case online by e-filing to District High Courts. You remain dissatisfied with the final decisions and orders from Ashok Leyland or the regulatory bodies, you have the option to take legal action. Click the link below to file a case online. Click File a case online by e-filing to District High Courts. Important note: before taking legal action, seek advice from professionals to understand the laws, your rights, and guide you through the legal process. Frequently asked questions. Q1. What is the customer care number of Ashok Leyland for vehicle-related complaints? 1. Dial the toll-free customer care number at 1-800-266-3340 for MNHCV or message through WhatsApp at +917358560111. You can also email your concerns to reachers at ashokaleland.com. For LCVs, there is a dedicated helpline number 1-800-10-22666. Q2. What should I do if my complaint is not resolved by Ashok Leyland's customer care? 2. If your concerns remain unaddressed, escalate the matter to the nodal officer at level 2 for commercial passenger vehicles or the business department. Further escalation can be done by reaching out to the regional manager of customer care at the respective regional offices. Q3. Where can I escalate issues related to warranty, services, or vehicle quality that are not resolved at level and level 2? 3. If complaints about buses, trucks, or other vehicles from Ashok Leyland subsidiary wings are not resolved, escalate the case to the head office of the respective passenger or commercial vehicle department. Q4. What steps can I take if I am dissatisfied with the resolution from Ashok Leyland's head office? 4. In case the resolution from the head office is unsatisfactory, consider seeking dispute resolution through government regulatory authorities. For consumer rights violations, filing a complaint with the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, or the appropriate state district consumer commission is advised. Q5. How can I make a complaint about Ashok Leyland's power solutions or other products? 5. Lodge complaints related to power solutions or other products by using the toll-free customer care number 1-800-419-19-216 or through email. Additionally, you can escalate concerns to higher levels if necessary.